Lovely use of the feet early on his innings, and he's off the mark.
It is good and it's class.
Didn't do much. Apart from that, swung away quite nicely. Short ball from...
Oh, the bouncer, and it's off the front foot, way in front of square.
First-class cricket. That is lovely. Oh, that's a good shot.
Just hit through the line, lovely bat flow. Holds the pose. Quality from Harris Sohail.
It's a full toss and puts that...
Hit the gap and placed it well enough. That's an agent 4. He's looked good. I mean, you can't... That's beautifully played. Back foot cut shot.
Yeah. Oozed class. Yeah, simple and effective.
Pulled. Chance. No, put down.
Come back into this Pakistan side today. Brings up his 50 with a 6. His heart might have been in it.
Swung away and huge. Oh, he's got...
Pakistan pair now realising it's time to put the foot down. A wonderful strike from Harris Sohail.
Clipped away. And taken, I think it is, yes. Good catch.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।